everybody, so we're getting ready to do a quick room tour. We just arrived at our room here on the Disney Magic. We are staying Concierge this time, so we are in room 8522 and we're getting ready to give you a tour of the room. Let go. All right, so here we are, room 8522. This is a Concierge 1-bedroom suite. So as soon as you walk in the door with a veranda, all the concierge rooms have a veranda on the Disney Magic. So
I guess I need to move more.
As soon as you walk in, not really, because I'm just gonna show this. You have a closet here. Got some closet space. Ooh, and it said let there be light. As soon as you open the door, we got the light. So we got some closet space. Of course, we got a bunch of stuff in here already. Stuff down here on the floor. But that's the closet. It's a pretty nice size closet. It goes back that way. Not huge, but I mean big enough to do what you needed to do, right? And to my left, it's a half bath. So nice sink area there with the toilet. It's not very large in here, but there is a shower. So we got a shower, the famous H2O products from Disney Cruise Line. And for Disney overall, actually, I think they use it at the resorts too.
They love those.
We got plenty of like shelf space here that you can put all your toiletries and whatnot on if you need to. We got some Elemis skin products. Nice mirror with some lighting. And see the light. Oh, this light is like motion. Every time I move around, it like comes on a little bit more. So that's the half bath. Come back out. There's a sexy man there. Oh, more closet space here. So it's kind of some shelving. Here, let me try to show you all the shelves. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. Well, 4. This one has the fifth one has a blanket on it. So this is a connection to the room next door. So if you were staying, like if you had 2 families staying together, you could have one in this room and the rooms connect. The one next door is not a suite. It is a concierge veranda room. But over here we have kind of a little sink area. We have some complimentary water, Coke, Sprite.
They give you good water.
Yeah. We got a nice sink area, some cabinet space up here. There. And down here, we got a refrigerator, which, let's see. I did ask for the refrigerator to be stocked with some specialty stuff, and it happened. So I asked for some apple juice, got that, and this looks like some exclusive apple juice too.
I ain't never seen
I'm about to drink that right now. And I asked for some chocolate milk from Mr. RJ, so he had some chocolate milk. Cool. And what's down here? Oh, like a trash receptacle there. What else we got? We got a dining room table here. 4 table seating for 4. Kind of a little, just, I don't even know what you would call this, like a foyer table or entry table here. This is where all of our stuff was kind of sitting when we came in. We got a birthday card because we're celebrating Ray and RJ's birthday. Somebody has a button. I don't know who's gonna get it. One of y'all can have a button. This is the gift that you get for being a Silver Castaway Club member. So because this is our second cruise, we are silver in the Castaway Club. So we got this free slingback bag. These are our Key to the World cards are inside of here. Key to the World card is what you use for everything, really, or buying stuff on board, pictures, all of that. That's what it looks like. It has your name, the cruise ship, all that stuff on it. And you also get lanyards. When you are a Silver Castaway Club member, you get free lanyards. We get the silver lanyard. When you turn gold, you'll get a gold lanyard. You are gold after 5 cruises. So we'll be able to put our Key to the World cards in those lanyards. We have a child here. Hey, RJ.
I'm not living.
Couch area. This couch converts to a bed. So this is where RJ will be sleeping.
I can't sleep in the own bed.
That's gonna be your bed, just like last time.
I didn't know this.
What? Yeah, you didn't see that? That's y'all too. So all of these decorations that say like happy birthday and stuff. I ordered all of these for Ray and RJ. It's like a birthday celebration
How
package
did you get it all
that
the
you
way
can order
over
for in room. I need to
Daddy.
turn the TV off because I can't hear myself.
Daddy, Mommy, how did you get all the stuff here?
How did I get all what stuff here?
This.
I ordered it online. So that birthday package came with all these decorations. It came with this towel here. That's like a beach towel. It came with this cute souvenir box. It came with that special tie that says My Day.
It came with the mommy.
It came with the mommy. The only thing it didn't come with is this fruit basket. So I don't know if we got that because we were concierge or what, but we got a fruit basket and it looked good too. I'm about to eat some of it.
No, you're
Coconut.
That is all right. That's like real coconut.
Hey.
So we got a TV here, lots of shelving. What's up here?
242.
More shelving. It's like dark over here. Is the light on? Yeah. All right, so we'll come back to this part. Now, this is the bedroom area, and you can see these doors actually
I'll be sleeping.
shut. So you can close that off from the rest of the room if you wanted to. Or you can open it up. So come in here. Hey. So we have a queen size bed here. Can you close that back up for now? We have a king size bed here. And we go this way. We have a little vanity area. You can use it as a vanity, you can use it as a desk. You know, I'll be using it to do my makeup probably. We got some lighting here. Oh, maybe this is the light over here. Yeah. So lights, nice, very nice size mirror. Perfect for makeup. The only thing I would say is the lighting is not the best for makeup. Usually you want like brighter white light for makeup, but yeah, it's okay, it'll work. This is over here a walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet. Here's some lights there. I got a couple of my hats up there already, but we have a safe there. We have some drawers, and this is like robes and slippers, I think, that we get to use while we're on. You don't get those in every room. We get those in this room because we're a concierge. So we have those. Nice size walk-in closet there. I'll come back out. And so you already saw the half bath. Here is the full-size bath. So you can see already we have his and her sinks. His and her sinks here. Once you step in, you see we have a jet tub here to the left. You'll be able to get in here and turn those jets on, have a good time in the bathtub. And then the toilet is in here. Nothing special. Nothing special. Regular old toilet.
There's a shower here.
Oh, is it a shower here? Oh, okay. So yeah, I lied. There is a shower here. There's the light. So if you wanted to shower, you come in here. Oh, that's a nice size too. So that's the shower.
There's a bougie telephone in here too.
Right. What's the telephone? Yes, we have an emergency or something.
Hey, I'm gonna need some toilet paper.
Maybe so. Maybe that's what that phone is for. I need some toilet paper like that. So that's it for the bathroom. Come back out here. I'm gonna show you the last part of the room. It's dark. There we go. We got a, like, this is the bed, queen size bed. We got a little sitting area here. With the little like table chair, little ottoman chair type deal. This is actually a bed too. This is a Murphy bed. You let this down to a bed, but we ain't gonna be using that. He gonna be sleeping out there. And this is the deck. So we are at port still right now. So we have to get this video done before we, you know, before the room get messy. But this is the deck. So the deck actually is the entire length of the suite. So,
Mommy, Did you mean when you said yesterday you gone to the port? Did you mean airport?
No, I meant the ship port.
Oh,
Can you move over? So this is the whole deck. It is the length of the entire suite. So like this is the entry to our room right here, and then down here is the other deck entrance that's into the like the living room area of the suite. So nice size deck, 4 chairs, 2 tables, and a partridge in a pear tree. And that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so that's it for this room tour. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight as to whether or not you want to book this room for your next Disney cruise on the Magic. Keep in mind, if you're on the Disney Wonder, the rooms are the...
and don't forget to subscribe.
Can you go? Come up here. Keep in mind that if you are the Disney Wonder, the room, that's the sister ship to Disney Magic, so they will be exactly the same. If you wanted to book this room on the Wonder too, that would be good as well. This is a concierge room. It comes at a concierge price. We were blessed to not have to pay the concierge price because God is good. Yes, He is. God is good. If you haven't seen why, go ahead and tap up here somewhere and click on that video so you see how we got to get this room without the concierge price tag. But yeah, it is a concierge room. There are a lot of amenities that come with it, so it's not just that it's a suite room. It actually comes with a lot of things. You get like alcoholic beverages throughout the day at the lounge. You get welcome aboard special luncheon for only concierge members. You get priority boarding. We were the first to be able to arrive. We got to the port at 10:30, took the COVID test at 11, and was on the ship by 12. So very fast process because we were able to arrive so early. Lots of amenities that come along with being concierge. So definitely check into that if it's something that you feel like splurging on. We will tell you maybe at the end of this trip. We'll tell you if you think it's something that's worth the cost. Since we didn't really have to pay the cost, it's kind of unfair for us to decide right now if this is worth it or not. I think we should kind of work our way through it and determine, is this something we'd be willing to pay for in the future.
So then we have some bloggers that we follow, and the husband said, what was it? Oh, Diz Life of Ours. We follow them, and the husband said, once you go concierge, you will never go back. So well, all I'm saying is, right now, I don't think I'm ready to go back.
We got lovely so far. It has been nice. It has been nice. And the concierge team, you get a special dedicated concierge team of 3 hosts, and they are absolutely amazing. We've had Kamisha, David, and Michelle, and they're amazing. But anyway, this is a room tour video. We're not going to go into all of that. We're going to get back to that in another video. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button. Please stick around. Hit the subscribe button. Stay for the rest of this cruise series, because we're going to take you with us every day. And we hope that you will stick around to see everything. Thank you so much. We love you. And as always, Team Reese all day.